So last night we were supposed to get a blizzard. Actually, it's supposed to be today and last night. I woke up this morning. It wasn't really that bad out. I mean, there was a decent amount of snow. There wasn't anything crazy, but now it's starting to pick up a little bit more. So just kind of wanted to walk around, see what's going on. As I walk around, I'm going to try not to bust my ass like I almost did earlier. Apparently it's supposed to snow basically throughout the day. Like I said, they were saying it's going to be a blizzard, but we'll see what happens.